Welcome guys, let's move on with part 2 of poultry management system. Guys, the first thing is to create a database. So you hit on blank database. Then here we shall write poultry, that is poultry management system. Then you redirect where you want your file. So I want my file to be saved on my desktop. So I just click on OK, then create. Then after having done that, I need to create the tables. So I go to create, then I just go to create, then table design. Here I will create my table. So I'll have the poultry code. This one will be auto number and the primary key here. Then we shall have the type of the bird. Type of the bird shall have age of the bird. I shall have the shed in which the bird resides. We shall have the buying price. Shall have the number or quantity of the birds bought. Then the total buying price, for the total buying price. Then we shall also have the number died or number dead there. Then we shall have the cause of death, cause of death. Then we shall have the that is the selling price. Shall have the selling price. Shall have the number or quantity sold. Then total as selling price. Let's just have its total selling price. Then we shall also have the eggs laid, that is the quantity of eggs laid there. Then we shall have the eggs sold, and then we shall have the that is total eggs amount, that is the amount sold. Then after having done that one will cater for the bird stock. So here we shall have, you can have this one as lookup wizard. So we just go to the wizard here. Therefore I just go, I type, I go to next. Then here we can have various, like now we can have kienyeji, can have improved kienyeji. Can also have now the rares, the normal ones, the rares. So this is improved. So finish. Then after having done that, age is number. Then shed remains. This one can be, you can have it as currency. This one number. This one can be currency. This one number. Then selling price can be number or currency. Then this one should be currency, number, sold number, eggs laid number. This can be currency. Then after having done that, we can go to cause of death. Here we go to lookup wizard. Then I will type the values I want. I go to next. Here we have natural. Can have just have sickness. Can have predator or others. other courses, like that. Then after having done that, you can save that table here. You can save this one. So this is poultry or birds details. Then we go ahead and create the next one. Just go to create table design. Here now we create the feeding. So we shall have the feed code. The feed code. This one can be outer number and the primary key. Then we shall have the feed type. Feed type. Then we can have the quantity bot. This is a number. Then we shall have the quantity fed. This is a number. We can have the date of buying, date and time. Then we shall have the price. The price, this is currency. Then we shall go ahead and have the total spent. Total spent. This can be number or currency. Then from there we shall have the shed. The shed in which this feed is taken for consumption. So guys, save this one as feeds. We go ahead to our next table, create, then table design. We shall have the medicine table, therefore we shall have the medicine code. Can have the medicine code, outer number and primary key. Then we shall have the type of medicine, whether normal or vaccination. Then we can have the cost of medicine, currency. Then we have date administered, date and time. Then we can have the shed in which this bird resides. Then after having done that, I just need now to save that one. This is medicine. So guys, those are my 3 tables, and the next thing I need to do is to create relationships. So I go to database, tools, relationships. Then I need to remove these ones. You just click and press delete. Then right click, go to show table. I show table by double clicking on them. So these are my 3 tables, guys. And then I need to create a relationship. So I have the shed, take that one to that one. So in case you get this indeterminate, you will also need to go ahead and do a bit of normalization that is on our table. So guys, I cross that. Then I need to come here, create, then table design. We create the shed ID, shed ID. That is shed ID. This is outer number, primary key. Then we have the shed name. Then save this one as sheds. Then from there I double click my sheds. So we shall have the sheds. We can have London shed. You can have New York. You can have Nairobi. You can have Lagos. You can have Tripoli. You can also have something like Dubai. Those are the names of our sheds. So guys, I cross that. I go back to the birds. Right click, go to design view. So I go to where the shade is here. I go down here, just go to lookup wizard. Then guys, this time round I reuse option number 1. I want the lookup field to get the values from another table or query, so I go to next. This time round I hit on shades, next. Then I need to have the shade name. You take it to the right hand side, next, next. Then these are the feeds, so I click next. Then I just click on finish. After having done that one, I save that. Then I go back to this one, to feeds. I do the same. Go to design view. Go to where the shade is here. I go down here. Go to lookup wizard. Choose the first option again. Next. I want to read the shades. Next. Also, I read this one. Next. 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 Finish. There we are. Then I go to the last one, guys. I go to medicine, right click, go to design view. Then I go to where the shades is. Then you just go to a lookup wizard. Then option number 1, next. Choose the shade, next. Then go to shade name. I want to read the shade name like that. Then I hit on finish. Then after having done that one, guys, I save this, right click, cross all. Then I just go to database tools. Now can you just right click here, right click, and we need to click on relationships. Then if, for example, if I remove now these ones, then you just go to show tables, guys. Having done that one, you see now we shall have created a relationship. So you just need to click there and force, double click there and force, double click there and force. There we are. So you have noticed that I have been in a position to create the relationship. The relationship is coming out from the shades. So all these tables will be connected together using this that is using the shades, table. This is how now the relationship looks like. You see now we have one-to-many relationship. Then after doing that, I save that one and then close, and then now I will head to the queries. So guys, remember to subscribe, remember to share my files, also remember to comment so that we can be in a position to go on with the database. So before I exit, you realize that you can read the shades here from this table. You can also go to feeds table here and also read that. You can also read the same shades from medicine table. So guys, that is the end of part 1. In my next video, I will be doing the queries. That is I will be doing the bird stock control query, and also feeding module, and also I'll be doing the medicine module. So keep on waiting for that.